The question now is, will the bank go under, or is it too big to fail? Real Talk Capital CEO Rob Luna joins us now. Rob, good to see you. So can First Republic survive?
I mean, it doesn't look too good right now, and I don't think that the senior executives there, David, are doing much to help their cause. On the conference call Monday, they actually refused to take shareholder questions.
Right.
And when you've got over $20 billion in unprotected deposits there, people are watching the news just like right now of deposits fleeing there. I think people are going to move with their feet and ask questions later. And so it's kind of becoming this self-fulfilling prophecy. Proverbial run on the bank. It does not look too good right now for First Republic.
Well, people were wondering whether, again, if it is so big and if it would cause a cascade. That hasn't happened yet. I mean, there are some other regionals like PacWest, which PacWest is up substantially today, and some other regionals that are up. So, but are you concerned that if it goes completely bust, it will create that cascade effect?
Well, look, I think every crisis is different. The last time we saw a real liquidity crisis was in 2008, 2009, and when the underpinning of that crisis is the financial institutions, that is a big worry. And this started, as you remember, not too long ago with Silicon Valley Bank, and I think it started to spread from there. What everyone started looking at then was the amount of deposits that were uninsured, meaning over that FDIC limit. And this is one of the companies that came up. Short sellers came in. People started getting worried about their money. But I think the bigger challenges outside of obviously if you're owning a stock like this is what this is going to do to the underlying economy. Because remember, 64% of jobs in this country are created by small businesses. Small businesses are the ones that are doing business with these community banks. These are the ones like Silicon Valley that are actually funding innovation. And when you start to get this too big to fail only for the biggest 3 or 4 banks, right, that creates a moral hazard that is really a big issue.
What happened, by the way? The government convinced a lot of big banks to chip in and kind of help out First Republic. What happened with all that money?
Yeah, well, I think they're a little bit worried right now. I think Goldman Sachs has a big investment here and a few other banks. But I think, look, as those deposits continue to come out, the government has set up kind of this one-year backstop in terms of the treasuries that they have. It doesn't look good. And as we know now, the speed of change, the speed of which these things happen is such a cascading quick effect. It's very scary. The risk management departments are up in arms. They don't know how to protect this. So, they're worried about their money, as I believe they should be right now.
All right, Rob Luna, thank you very much. You've been warning about this for a while, Rob. Other analysts have been saying, no, First Republic is safe, but not you. Rob, good to see you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.